You are unstoppable. You have the attention of many. Many people from your past want to come back in. Many people who counted you out want to circle back and revisit and play a huge part in your life. Many people feel connected to you also. Many people feel like you are the missing person that they have always wanted to be a part of their team. You are the muse. You are that person that is going to be the future of whatever company or whatever group, club, organization you belong to. Whatever artistic pursuit that you are pursuing, people are feeling like you are it. People are studying you. People are trying to learn you. People are having discussions about you in certain rooms that you thought that you would never enter. People want to align with you, and you're simply just in your own world thinking of your future. And boy, oh boy, oh boy, is your future going to be big. I'm talking magnificent. You will gain a lot of adoration, respect for your skills and your talents. Even right now, people are praising you for your work. People see you as the future of. Many people are taking notice. You see, your energy is loud. With a talent like yours, charisma like yours, persona like yours, personality like yours, many people take notice. Many people want to learn from you. How did you do it? Tell us your story. Many people see you as the prize. Many people want to date you. Many people see you as an individual that makes them want to step up because you have a no-nonsense way about you. Kings only or queens only is the energy that you radiate. Many people want to learn about how you got to where you are. Some people know your story. Some people are in the same field as you. They may ask you, what school did you go to? What club did you go to? What university did you go to? You are a walking advert of success. Many of you had a hard background and you had to walk away from people, places and things and major betrayals. You had to become independent, and people see you as a fearless warrior. And you are an individual who just simply mind your own business. That's the first thing, because you're focusing on to the next thing that you have to accomplish. Many people see you as some type of superhero, like you are very powerful, especially if you do competitive sport. You are one to watch. You are one that people feel like they cannot beat. You are moving towards major success, major victory. And people want to know, how do you stay so grounded? How do you stay so balanced and at peace with yourself? And it's simply because you've done the hard work. Literally, you've been through stuff that most people that you know could never cope with. You had major blockages. You had people trying to block your path. You had burdens placed upon you. And you worked through them all. You worked through your fears. And you turned your pain into purpose. And you alchemized your pain. You know, you poured your heart and your soul into your craft. You went inwardly. You done the work. And now you're seen as a boss. Now you are seen as the future of whatever area of work you are in. Your energy commands respect. You have an air of authority and power, and people in positions of power want to work with you. Whether that's happening in the now, words getting around about who you are. People want to collaborate with you. People want to sponsor you. You know, you're a big deal. You're heavyweight out here, honestly. And if it's not happening in the now, you're going to get some real big shots that are going to be reaching out to you, wanting to collaborate with you. Those doors that were shut in the past, unfortunately, you know, it may have been tough, but those doors were shut for a reason, because maybe you weren't ready to achieve what you wanted to achieve at the time, because maybe you were surrounded by the wrong people. And if you did achieve your goals at the time, then you wouldn't have been satisfied. It may have been short-lived because of the people that you were surrounded by, and also because of your mindset. Maybe you weren't ready yet. Maybe they were still learning to do. Maybe you had to put in more work. You know, Spirit didn't want you to progress at that time when you weren't solid. And at the time, you may have thought that the universe was punishing you. But when you look back, you're going to realize that everything was for a reason. Many people are going to want to, I'm hearing, sign you, make you become the face of something. People are taking your work and who you are as a person very seriously. And all those people that doubted you, they're going to be outside looking on. This is not the season of betraying yourself, is what I'm hearing. Because for some of you, you may have downplayed your goals. You may have felt like they were too far-fetched. And in some cases, you may have felt like there was no one out there to help you. But there is someone that's going to come in. And even if people try to block your path in whatever industry that you are in, it was for a reason, because they could see that you will move towards victory and leave them behind. And they're right, because these people are going to get left behind. You've got things to do, and many people are watching you. Many people love what you do. And you're moving towards more accomplishments, major accomplishments, medals, certificates, trophies. Those individuals that doubted you in the past, they're going to wish that they didn't. They're going to wish that they didn't, because you were the diamond in the rough all along. Spirit just cloaked you. And these individuals are going to want to see how they can maneuver their way back into your life so that they can gain some of your blessings. You are a big deal. Like I said, many people see you as the future. In the now, there could be talks about reaching out to you, wanting to work with you, wanting to learn from you. In the future, could be the same case. But Spirit is saying, just keep your eyes on the prize. It may seem like it's taken a long time, but nothing is by accident. You didn't make it at the time you wanted to make it for a reason. Because when you think back, there was other things that you may have needed to do, other things that you may have had to tend to. And it allowed you time to focus on self, focus on your growth, focus on your self-love, to even have the confidence to go after what you want. Your success is going to be major on a grand scale. It's about to happen. You or the people of importance could be of the signs Leo, Aries, Libra, Leo again, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Cancer, Sagittarius, Pisces, Pisces again, Aquarius, Aries, Pisces again. You're moving towards a cycle of success, victory, recognition for your skills, talents, and accomplishments. The next 3 years is going to be extremely important to you. When Jupiter goes into Leo, that's another time. You're going to be at the forefront You're going to be the standard, the one to watch, the breakthrough act. It's your time. Get ready. You're about to rock the world.